Okay, in this video I'm going to show you, I've got this reference picture, this is a seascape, and I'm going to show you how to choose your colours and what colour combinations you need to do, and we're going to do some swatching, and this is just a short video just to show you how to make your swatches and how to decide on what colours to use. Hi all. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to be painting this little landscape. Well, it's actually a seascape, and I'm going to be trying out all my different blues that I have in my Van Gogh watercolour set, and I've also added a few other blues as well, which is a lovely turquoise blue, a lovely indigo, and a phthalo blue. Okay, I'm just putting them at the top here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try out all the different blues. I'm going to see if I can find the colours and what colour combinations there are in this photograph. So I'm going to start off with my cerulean blue, and I'm going to swatch it here, and I can automatically see it. It's just too bright. So to turn that blue down, I'll use a little bit of, possibly a bit of orange. Okay, and then I'm going to write on the side here, I'm going to write the cerulean and orange. Just so that I know what colours I've used, and I'm going to do a whole lot of colour swatches and see which one matches. I could actually take that cerulean blue again, and let's try it with something else. These paints wet so beautifully. I'll try putting a little bit of ultramarine blue with it. See what that one does. So that's cerulean and ultramarine blue. Next colour combination, I'm going to take cerulean blue, and I'm going to try a little bit. Let's have a look. I've got all my colours written down on the side here, all the different colours. I'm going to try it with a little bit of sepia in it, and let's see what that one looks like. It's sort of that green, if you look in the sea here, where the waves, where the sea just starts joining the beach, you can see it's a little bit of green. Okay, next colour combination. Okay, so that's the ceruleans. So that's cerulean and sepia. Because also once these dry, the colours change a little bit. So these ultramarine, cobalt blue, and I'm going to try a little bit of cerulean with it. With, not cerulean, sorry, viridian. Viridian and cobalt blue. Let's see what that one does. Cerulean and viridian. I'm going to try viridian again, because viridian's actually in there. It's a very nice colour, and I'm going to try a little bit of Prussian blue. Let's see what that one does. Next colour combination, I'm going to try indigo. This is indigo. See, now that's a very nice one. And some cobalt. This is indigo and cobalt. This one was viridian and pressure. Yes, brush. Let's see if we can start. I think we've got the colours here. Let's try and start making some of these beach colours. So I'm going to take the good old favourite, which is ultramarine blue. And okay, that's running in there. Ultramarine blue and burnt sienna. You can see if you look very carefully, you'll see this colour in here. But when these are dry, you'll see the colours better. On the rocks, there's combinations of brown. This is burnt umber. This is sepia. I'm not sure if there's any yellow ochre in here. Well, actually there could be. Sort of. Yes. Let's put a little bit more of the burnt. No, a little bit of the burnt sienna. Okay. When you let your colours run into each other like this, you can see the colours better. It's better to mix them on your paper rather than over here. So if I take a blue, for instance, here, and I put the burnt sienna with it, you can see the colours here. But as soon as I mix it, sometimes it sort of dies on you. So just be careful. This is very much more interesting here than this over-mixed colour here. So these are the colours that we actually ended up swatching, and you can see this colour over here. This swatch is the colour that these rocks are, okay? And you can see some of these lovely colours, like this is here in the surf, and all the colours that I've swatched, I've actually used them in the surf. Okay, all the different colours. So once you know what your colours look like, then you can use them in your painting. So I hope you enjoyed that.